We are on homework 13, issuing preferred. Okay, so on June 1st, COVID, same company on the last tab, issues 1,000 shares of $10 par value, 5% cumulative preferred stock for $13,000 in cash. All right, so we are going to debit cash for $13,000 because that's what we received. We're going to credit preferred stock, and that's going to be the 1,000 shares we issued times the par value of $10. And the credit is going to be APIC, or additional paid-in capital preferred, and it's going to be for the cash we received minus the par value of stock, $3,000. COVID records $20,000 of net income in June and declares and pays a dividend of $5,000 cash. All right, so we are going to combine with the May activity and come up with one statement of shareholders' equity. All right, so we're going to start with our paid-in capital. We're going to start with common stock. And that's going to be, we didn't issue any new common stock, so it's going to be whatever was there last time. And then we're going to do preferred stock. And that is this 10,000 we issued. And then we're going to do APIC common. Again, that hasn't changed since last time, so we'll take it from last month's statement. And then we're going to do APIC preferred. The only activities we have is what we did this month. All right, so that's all of our paid-in capital. So then we're going to do retained earnings. All right, so let's calculate our retaining. We have beginning retained earnings. And then plus net income. And then minus dividends equals ending retained earnings. All right, so our beginning retained earnings, so this month's beginning retained earnings is last month's ending retained earnings, so 5,000. Plus net income, and we had net income of $20,000 minus dividends, so we had dividends of 5,000. And so I got an extra zero there. So our ending retained earnings is going to be 20,000. So that means our total shareholders' equity is, add all these up, 38,000. All right, that wraps up issuing preferred.